Hi, I'm James Shillinglaw, and I'm here in Glasgow. I haven't been here in years, but we're getting a wonderful tour from Visit Scotland. And I'm here with Jennifer Williamson, who's the Deputy General Manager of the hotel we're staying at here, which is the AC Hotel Glasgow. Now, AC is a brand that many of you know, but this hotel is a little different, a little special. And one of the reasons I want to do the interview with Jennifer is to explain exactly how different it is. And you're going to find out about that and more on Insider Travel Report. Jennifer, first of all, it's great. Thank you for your hospitality here. We're here for 2 nights, and we're getting a wonderful tour of Glasgow, and then we're going to go off some other places in Scotland. But talk a little bit about when did this hotel open?
So this hotel opened in November of last year.
Very, very new. Right?
Still relatively new, absolutely. So it's been a fantastic labour of love for all the team here to get the hotel open in time for Christmas, which in Glasgow is pretty special as well. Yeah. And we have just the George Square just behind us. And
you're in central location. You're really in a great location.
Absolutely. Location is definitely key. And as I say, George Square has all the gorgeous Christmas markets, lots of nice events there, and it really is the centre of the city.
Now, we're in what seemed to be a very modern section. In fact, my room, and this is the modern wing. But tell us a little bit about this. It was a historic building, and tell us about that.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like 2 hotels. So in the new part of the hotel, we have around 220 bedrooms, which were purpose-built Hotel AC by Marriott bedrooms. But we also have a really special part of the building of 22 rooms and suites. We call it our heritage building. It's been there for over 125 years. It did belong to the Glasgow Parish Halls, and that's where the church decided, and all the churches in Glasgow put all their money together and decided who was most worthy of it. So it's a fantastic building, lay derelict, and we took it over and restored it. And it's just a beautiful piece of Glasgow history.
No, and it's great, and it's got wonderful stained glass, and you see reflected. And then you took us up to this suite that was absolutely amazing.
Yeah, so we have the Liberty Suite. We definitely would say it's the jewel in the crown of our rooms here at the hotel, and so called the Liberty Suite because the architect who designed the Glasgow Chamber, which is just next to us here on George Street, was inspired by the French's gift to America, and he put a very small Statue of Liberty, a little replica on the front of the building.
So you can find that here, absolutely.
So Glasgow has its very own Statue of Liberty, so she's there, and the Liberty Suite up on the 3rd floor is definitely, a real jewel in the crown.
Yeah, and that whole wing just sort of opened my eyes. I'm thinking, it's an AC hotel in Glasgow. It's beautiful, it's wonderful, it's very modern, it's very convenient. I'm staying in the modern wing, but then I saw this older wing that was just really completely redone and so beautiful. Incredible staircase going all the way up to, how many floors is that?
So there are 4 floors over on that side of the building, and again it's almost like 2 hotels. We have the very modern, as you say, functional, convenient, comfortable hotel, and then we have this kind of other world. You step into that side of the building, and in there we've got our gym and a meeting room, but we've also got some incredible suites, and of course the Liberty Suite as well.
And you do have an elevator there. You asked us, do you mind walking up? And by the 4th floor I was there, wait a minute, how far did I agree to walk up? But we made it. It was good for me. I'd just gotten off the plane from New York, so I needed some kind of thing. Yeah, and also you've got a pretty good food and beverage outlet here too. You've got a great bar. So this is Glasgow, you have to have a bar. And then Greta, I already hear there's some buzz here. This is the lobby, and then you go a little bit back, you got a fire, and you got a wonderful bar, and then you have a nice restaurant, right?
Absolutely. So we've got our Hazel restaurant, so-called Hazel because in the Glasgow crest, the crest of Glasgow, in the middle there's a hazel tree. So again, to tie into our sort of the Glasgow history, we named our restaurant Hazel, and we've got our bar which serves local signature gins, cocktails. We work with a Glasgow-based gin distiller. So yeah, there's lots of really nice, interesting cocktails to try on the menu if you fancy some later.
Yeah, I think we can do that. We're going out to dinner. We are going to eat there tomorrow night. Tonight, I think we're going somewhere else, but it really is a wonderful bar. And I got to tell you, the room that I have, which is a brand new room, is absolutely amazing. It has everything I need, right?
Absolutely, yeah. So all the rooms, as a standard, they have the Nespresso coffee machines, and there you've got all your tea and coffee facilities. And yeah, they're very functional, practical, and that's really what the AC brand is known for, is that sort of ease, simple, everything you need, nothing you don't. But yeah, sometimes there's, there's always a bit of luxury to be had on the other side of the building as well.
Absolutely, but one of the biggest things here is that you got a lot of history in this building, and it really is amazing. I was thinking I'm staying in an AC hotel. It's probably very nice, but I'm not really going to think about doing an interview because I know what AC hotels. And then I went on a tour with Jennifer, and we found out that very differently. This hotel has some history, some backing, amazing, and it's also got an incredible location. Where can travel advisors, my audience, go to find out more about this hotel? The URL, whatever.
Yeah, well, the exciting thing is that we are part of the Marriott brand, so everything's right there on Marriott.com. And Bonvoy members more than welcome here in the hotel, which is a massive global program to be a part of. So yeah, absolutely, you can go onto the Marriott website and just search for AC Glasgow, and we'll find us right there, really easy.
And it's a great place, as I said, if you want to have your clients stay in Glasgow, which is a wonderful city. I've been here a few times over the years, not for a while. I was down here, believe me, I date myself. The late 90s, I was here for the Glasgow American Society of Travel Agents Convention.
Wow.
And I found it to be a wonderful city, a great pub city, really a livable city. And I spent a lot of time, but I haven't been back really since, maybe a couple of times. And here you have a brand new hotel right in the center of the action. And so this is a great option for your clients. Jennifer, I want to thank you for taking on the tour, and also thank you for your hospitality again.
Absolutely, thank you so much. And as you said there, Glasgow is an incredible city. Everything's on your doorstep here. Great place to start, for any tour operators out there. Glasgow's definitely the good base for everything in Scotland.
Absolutely, it really is, and that's where we're starting to. Anyway, I'm James Shillinglaw here in Glasgow. Thank goodness I'm back here again, and at this wonderful AC Hotel Glasgow. Again, thanks so much.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I'm James Shillinglaw, and this is Insider Travel Report.